Are you looking to improve your logistics performance and gain the visibility needed to transform your supply chain into a competitive advantage? For shippers throughout the world, the solution has been Managed TMS, a global service delivered by TMC, a division of C.H. Robinson, that combines global TMS technology, logistics process management, and consulting services.
About 10 years ago, we started looking at what could we do differently? How can we change this relationship? How can we take more control of our supply chain?
Overall, it needed to be online, needed to be multifunctional for all the segments that are part of the Oshkosh Corporation.
We're not just looking at a small piece of our outbound business. We're looking at inbound, and we're looking at all the different pieces that go into our landed cost.
There was opportunity to save in transportation, but still the shippers and the manufacturers had control of all the freight. And really, TMC brought that visibility that allowed us to take control and manage the freight, realize those savings.
They're giving us the tools, and it's a simple dashboard. We can get it on our iPhone, on the spot, in meetings while we're talking to our suppliers or some of our vendors, even our carriers.
For me as a manager, that's quite important. You see online directly what's going on in your network. We also have now faster connection time between the different plants and the carriers. So this means we have less conversations with the carriers by phone.
Technology is great, but it's always changing. The big differentiator is the people. TMC does a really good job of finding and training good supply chain talent, and they're doing the work as opposed to IPC having to do the training and keep up with all of that industry knowledge and what's coming new in technology.
It's a good system for us. It supports us in managing our freight activities, and not only from a European point of view, but from a worldwide point of view.
We've been able to become a shipper of choice because of what TMC has provided for us. And they've really helped us be able to prioritize and push through some of the things that otherwise transportation would probably struggle with being able to get in front of the larger audience.
They're an integral part of our team. They are engaged with all levels of our supply chain, and they are really proactive at solving issues.
When they speak, people listen. We're not just by ourselves, which has been really powerful. We're able to tap into the larger group. What are you struggling with? What reports are you running? What could we do differently? And TMC has given us access to that.
We manage our carrier base now in a different way than before. People that are dealing with transport activities are now focusing more on the things that they have to do, instead of just chasing carriers for confirmation or whatever data that is missing. It was a necessary tool that we needed to support our activities worldwide. And we probably will also get the benefits of new clients that hit the platform in the future.
I would definitely recommend TMC to somebody who wants to take control of their supply chain, to have the visibility to really make an impact on their business.
They're helping us evolve and become a much more sophisticated shipper.